See that, guys? Take a good look. Oh yeah, it's nicely seasoned, nice and trimmed off. And in case you're wondering what this is, it is tri-tip. Today's going to be a special day because we're going to be cooking some tri-tip. Oh yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. And on today's episode, we're going to be cooking some beautiful tri-tip. This is a small tri-tip. It's 2.2 pounds. I already trimmed it up. I already seasoned it up. And I'm going to show you how to reverse sear this bad boy right here. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's turn the power on. And we're gonna open the lid as usual, and we're gonna wait for rolling smoke to come out. All right, guys, now we got a nice rolling smoke going on. We're gonna crank our temperatures up, and we're just gonna push the button to 200 degrees. I don't know if you can see that, but that's where we're gonna set it at. And then we're just gonna close our lid and wait for the temperature to come up. Man, tri-tip, I can't wait for this beautiful tri-tip to be done. Whew, the taste test. I just can't wait, guys. But anyway, let's talk about the step-by-step process of what we did so far. We just got a beautiful tri-tip from Walmart. I mean, it's choice tri-tip. Who would have thought? It was the last one on the shelf. I mean, due to this coronavirus, everything is getting empty in the shelves, and it's just crazy right now. But I was lucky enough to find that beautiful tri-tip. It's choice. It's a little expensive. It's $7.99 a pound. But listen, in the state of Delaware, it's hard to find certain barbecue cuts of meats. Those who are in Texas or California or the other states that you can find certain cuts of meats, I salute you guys, because it's hard to find them over here in the great state of Delaware. So nonetheless, we got this beautiful tri-tip. We trimmed off all the excess hard fat that was on there to the best of my ability. I'm not a butcher, so please, down in the comments, do not ridicule me, because I'm not a butcher by trade by any means. I just trimmed it up to the best of my ability. We seasoned them with some beautiful seasoning. We did the competition smoke and the chop house from Pit Boss. Whew. Those two flavors right there should be a nice combination flavor for this tri-tip. But anyway, we're gonna smoke this and we're gonna do a reverse sear on this beautiful tri-tip. Man, we're gonna pull it off at 115, 120, and we're gonna sear it to give it a nice caramelization crust that we're looking for. During the whole entire process, we're gonna do a little basting. What I mean by basting, we're gonna do a little butter, thyme, and garlic basting every 15 to 20 minutes to get to the internal temperature of 115, 120. And like I said, we're just gonna pull it off and do a nice little sear on it. Whew. All right, guys, we have reached target temperature. You can see we're at 212 at this point. And then it's time to throw this beautiful choice tri-tip into here. Oh yeah. Okay, guys, as you can see, we got our tri-tip right there in the middle of our pit boss. And what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna take our meat probe that we have right here, and we're just gonna place it right there in the center. So I'm just gonna slide this bad boy in here through the gasket hole and stick it to the center of this bad boy right here. And we're gonna place it in one of our ports. So we're gonna do port number 2. Just gonna close the lid, and as you can see, oh, and by the way, guys, I'm using charcoal wood pellets today from Pit Boss. Oh yeah. So right now we're at 33 degrees right there on the tri-tip, and we're gonna let this smoke till we get to an internal temperature of 115, 120. And keep in mind, guys, we're just gonna baste this bad boy every 15 to 20 minutes. All right, guys, just like I stated in my previous video clip, we're gonna definitely do a reverse sear on this beautiful choice tri-tip that we got for Walmart. Oh man, I can't wait to the taste testing part, because I wish I could fast forward to that particular part right now at the end of the video. So we're gonna do some beautiful basting with some butter, garlic, and thyme. Oh man, it's gonna infuse, it's gonna give it that beautiful garlic and buttery and thyme flavor to take this beautiful tri-tip to another notch. I promise you it's gonna be good. So how we're gonna do that, we're gonna rent that butter down in our smoke cabinet. So we're using unsalted butter some thyme, and guys, I'm just using some minced garlic. You can use whole cloves if you want, and if you want, you can add some rosemary to it too. I think it's gonna overpower it, but you could do whatever you like. And I'm just gonna base it in the saucepan, and I'm just using the smoke cabinet to render down the butter. Simple as that, guys. Okay guys, so it's time to base our tri-tip. So we're gonna take our clarified butter that is now clarified, as you can see, guys. And all we're gonna do is stir it up because we got that beautiful garlic and that thyme infused in this beautiful clarified butter. So, oh yeah, our tri-tip is looking really nice, coming along. And so all we're doing is basing. All right, guys, I'm gonna throw our butter back on here. And we're gonna keep doing it every 15 to 20 minutes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we hit our target temperature between 115 and 120. We're currently at 118, and our digital display is 210 inside our grill. So let's take a look at our beautiful smoked tri-tip at this point. Oh yeah, look at that color, guys. Woo. I bet that got a little nice infuse of smoke flavor in there, that charcoal wood pellet smoke. And again, we just based it with some butter, thyme, and garlic. Look at that, guys. Wow. All right, guys, so I'm gonna pull this off and I'm gonna prep our grill for the searing part. So y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, we just pulled our tri-tip off the grill and look at that beauty right there. So it's time to prep our Pitfalls Platinum Lockhart with the searing part. So we're gonna press the button and take it from 200 all the way to high. And we're just gonna press the button to set. And we're gonna open our sear zone. Oh yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's been about good 10 to 15 minutes, and it's time to take a gander at our beautiful reverse sear tri-tip. Oh yeah. Take a look at that, guys. Oh man. So time to slice into this beautiful tri-tip. Wow. So let's go down the middle. There you have it, guys. Take a look at that. So it's time for the best part of the entire video, which is what? The taste testing. Oh yeah. So guys, we did a reverse sear on this beautiful tri-tip that we got from Walmart. It was a choice tri-tip. It was $7.99 a pound. It was a 2.2 pound tri-tip that kind of shrunk a little bit, as you saw during the cutting process. And man, we cooked it to a perfect medium rare, which I like. That's the way I like my tri-tip. That's the way I like my steaks, as you saw in my previous videos. So guys, let's talk about what we did so far. All we did was trim off some of that excess hard fat that was on the tri-tip. We took off a little bit of that silver skin, and then we hit them up with some beautiful seasoning, some beautiful smoke competition, my all-time favorite Java Chop House. And then all we did is reverse sear it. We hit it with a little bit of smoked. We also based it with a little bit of butter, garlic, and thyme. Woo. And we infused it with a little bit of that charcoal wood pellets flavor. It was a mild, subtle hint of it. Nothing overpowering, nothing too strong, nothing bold like that. But it was just a mild hint of that smoke flavor that's gonna be a beautiful, beautiful, flavor and combo together. So, you know what? It's time to eat because I just can't wait. So So take a look at that, guys. Wow. Perfect medium rare. Take a look at that. Oh yeah. So let's take a slice of that. Oh man. Oh wow. That's so good. Wow. These two combination flavors are really shining through. Wow. This right here, competition smoke, my all-time favorite. Chop house. Can't go wrong with these two combinations, guys. Oh, there's nothing else left to say. Listen, guys, if you like barbecue angling, this is your channel right here. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and share with this video with all your family and friends. Until next week, guys, this is Smoking Jazz Barbecue. Peace.